Are you lonely? Do you like hurting people? Then the CM.701, the upgraded version, is for you.
Hello, welcome to Airsoft Sweden. Today we're going to review the CM701, the upgraded version. I think it's based on the M700 model that usually is used for hunting. All the black parts on this gun is made of metal except for this part on the stock that's made of rubber. And the tree here is actually plastic, but it feels really good and it feels like real wood. The whole gun is 1.1 meters long, but the internal barrel is just 43 centimeters long. This rifle weighs about 2.3 kilograms. This rifle has about 2.9 joule and about 560 FPS. To get the magazine out, you twist on the rifle and press this little button, and after that you can pull the magazine out. And this magazine is made of plastic and can hold up to 30 BBs. The recommended BB weight for this gun is 0.30 gram to 0.36 gram, but you can also use even heavier BBs. To find the safety, you just look here, and now it's on safe, this little lever, and if you push it forward it's unsafe, and back again for safe. To find the hop up, you just turn this rifle to this side, and here you can find this little switch, and you can push this forward and back again to change the hop up. You can find this gun on Taiwan Gun for about 125 euros. Included in the set is the rifle, of course, the magazine that holds 30 BBs, and a speed loader. You do not get the sight included with the gun. Now let's go out and test shoot this beautiful rifle. Now let's test shoot it. I'm out of bullets. Let's get this last son of a bitch. As you can see, it's very good at penetrating because the BBs went right through the cans most of the time. And that's because it's a high power rifle. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and if you like this, leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Goodbye.